everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some classic vintage home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Classic vintage home decor inspiration draws from timeless styles and elements popular from the 1920s to the 1970s, blending nostalgia with elegance and charm. Classic vintage home decor refers to a decorating style that pays homage to the past, often focusing on items and aesthetics from the early 20th century up to the 1970s. It is also just about using old things. It is about creating a sense of timelessness, character, and coziness using oil-loved stored pages. Core characteristics: time-tested elegance. Vintage style embraces furnishings and details that look like they have been passed down through generations. These pieces often have a unique craftsmanship and show signs of gentle aging, which adds authenticity. Their textures. Textures plays a big role. Think of mixing east wood, soft linens, chipped paint, and polished brass. The layering creates a warm and inviting environment. Eclectic yet balanced. Classic vintage does not demand perfect matching. You can mix different decades and styles, such as pairing a Victorian tufted chairs with a mid-century lamp, as long as there is a cohesive color palette or vibe. Key elements and how to use them. Living room. Use sleep comfort or tufted sofas in faded floral or solid linen. Use trunk as coffee tables or storage benches. Use vintage books, rotary phones, or mercury glass decor on open shelves. Kitchen. Use open shelving with mismatched china or enamelware. Glass jars for dry goods, vintage skulls, and bread boxes. Use retro appliances or pastel-colored kitchen tools. Bedroom. Use iron or wooden bed frames with patina, spirals, lace curtains, and tawny accents. Vanity tables with ornate mirrors and perfume bottles. Bathrooms use cloth tubs, pedestal sinks, and apple jars and vintage-inspired sconces. Tips for achieving the look. Shop secondhand. Stripped stores, stencils, flower markets, and antique shops are treasure troves. Repurpose. An old ladder becomes a towel rack, or a vintage suitcase becomes a nightstand. Embrace imperfection. Use faded colors, chipped paint, and voided edge are part of the charm. Use vintage-inspired reproductions if authentic items are not accessible. Mood and atmosphere. The overall feeling of classic vintage decor is warm, sentimental, and slightly romantic. It evokes a sense of home and nostalgia, often reminding people of their grandparents' homes or stories from the past. Philosophy of classic vintage style. Classic vintage decor is not just about decorating, it is about creating a story. It brings soul and charm to a home by incorporating objects with history, personality, and sentimental value. Whether it is an heirloom cabinet, a flower market lamp, or a twisted mirror, each piece contributes to a lived in, timeless look. Creating the right ambience to truly capture the classic vintage mood, you need to go beyond furniture and focus on sensory details. Lighting for ambience use warm tone bulbs to mimic the glow of candlelight or incandescent bulbs from earlier eras. Mix dusk lighting like disc or reading lamps with ambient lighting like sconces or candlelight. Dimmer switches can enhance the cozy romantic vibe. Vintage decor categories to explore. Architectural salvage. Use incorporate old doors, window frames, or mantles as wall decor. Use salvaged corbels as shelf brackets. Vintage art. Look for old oil paintings, pressed botanicals, or faded maps. Mix frame styles, gilded, curved wood, and brass. Heirloom and collectibles display meaningful keepsakes like teacups, medals, old books, or family photos. Group items in odd numbers. Trio of glass bottles or clocks for visual appeal. Functional vintage finds, clocks, radios, coat hooks, or trays that still work. These add charm and utility. Room by room examples. Vintage entryway. Add an antique console table with a small mirror. Hang vintage hats or bags on a wall hook or coat rack. Vintage dining room. Mix chairs around a rustic oak table, even mismatched styles. Use a vintage sideboard for displaying dishes, candlesticks, and linens. Vintage office or library. Decorate with an old roll-top desk, globe, or banker's lamp. Store books in barrister bookcases or stacked suitcases. Sustainability bonus. Classic vintage decor is inherently eco-friendly. It encourages reuse, repurposing, and repair. You avoid mass-produced items and reduce waste. Upcycling a piece saves money and preserves craftsmanship. Regional influences in classic vintage decor. Different cultures and regions bring unique flavor to vintage decorating. You can blend them for a richer style. British vintage style. Cozy interiors, floral wallpapers, think Laura Ashley, and chark wood furniture. These sets tufted armchairs and needlepoint pillows. Prince country vintage. Washed linens, whitewashed furniture, iron bed frames. With lavender, sashes, rustic wood, and candelier with patina. American vintage, farmhouse and colonial. Use walls, painted trunks, sugar style furniture, old iron hooks, wooden flag sign, and enamel iron. Scandinavian vintage, simpler linens, faded oats, pale tones, white soft blues, cozy textiles like wool, sheepskins, and homespun linen. Historical authenticity has inspired a style. You can go on of two ways or blend both historical accurate. You research the era and only use items from that period. For example, a 1930s kitchen with a horseshair cabinet. Historically inspired, you mix modern comforts with vintage charm. For example, a few sofa with vintage-inspired floral fabric and a 1940s floor lamp. Both approaches are valid. It just depends on how to immersive you want the space to feel. Advanced sourcing techniques. Finding authentic vintage can take time, but here are advanced ways to source. Estate sales and auctions, often overlooked treasures in original condition. Architectural salvage years for doors, beams, mantle, or knobs. Online collector groups and marketplaces. Facebook groups for vintage decor. Restoration supply companies for reproduction light switches, push button plates, and vintage style things. Bring a measuring tape and photos of your space when treasure hunting. Restoration and chat tips. When you find vintage pieces that need love, here is what you can do. Wood furniture, sand lightly, their stain or sell. Keep the original patina if possible. Upholstery. Reupholster using vintage fabrics or use slip covers to preserve older chairs. Hardware. Clean brush with lemon plus baking soda or replace missing knobs with antique store finds. Lighting. Rewire old lamps or bring them to an electrician. Safety first. Classic vintage home decor inspiration just from timeless styles and elements popular from the 1920s to the 1970s, blending nostalgia with elegance and charm. Here are the key inspirations and ideas behind it. Color palette soft pastels, mint, blush, peony yellow, jack egg blue. Use warm neutrals, ivory, beige, taupe, rich vintage hues, mustard, olive green, navy, burgundy. Furniture antique or antique inspired pieces like cloth tables, spindleback chairs. Use weathered oak distressed finishes and ornate carvings. Use upholstered furniture with tufting or floral patterns. Fabrics and textiles use lace, crochet, and embroidered linens. Use floral or tile patterns and contains cushions and bedding, square throws and ruffled details. Decorative accessories use vintage mirrors, brass candle holders, and porcelain figurines. Use old suitcases, typewriters, or rotary phones as decor. Glass upholstery jars, milk glass, and expression glass, wall art and details. Use botanical prints, black and white photographs, or framed floaties. Gallery walls with vintage frames. Use wallpaper with Timex or floral prints. Lighting. Use crystal candelabras, vintage lamps with plated shades. Use Edison bulbs or antique style sconces. Mix and match. Combine eras. A 1940s sideboard with a Victorian mirror, blend rustic and refined, such as a distressed table with elegant china. Architectural features to look for or add. Even if you are in a modern home, you can include classic vintage architecture inspired touches. Use wainscoting or beadboard paneling. Use crown molding and ceiling medallions. Original hardwood floors or realistic looking alternatives. Fireplace mantles with decorative moldings. Classic vintage decor is not just about decorating, it is about crafting a story. It brings soul and charm to a home by incorporating objects with history, personality, and sentimental value. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.